Hello Internet folks. If you're using your iPhone to record video and you want to improve the audio quality, let me show you how you can connect an external mic to your phone. In this case, I'm going to use a Rode VideoMicro and I'm going to connect it to my iPhone 10. But in order to do that, we're going to need to replace the patch cable that came with the mic. This works great connecting it to a Sony camera or a Canon camera. But in order to connect the mic to a phone, we're going to need to get a new patch cable. So we need a TRRS to TRRS patch cable. This one is from Rode. I got it from Amazon. And this will allow you to connect one of these external mics to your iPhone. Now, it may look identical to the original cable, but it's a little bit different. That gray end has an additional ring connector, and that is the end that needs to connect to the phone. Now, in the case of these newer phones, we will need to use the adapter that came in the box that converts the mini phono to Lightning. And that's it. So now the audio is going to come from that external mic. All right, let's take a look at what it's going to look like all connected. So I'm just using a phone holder here from JOBY. What I like about the JOBY phone holder is it has this little plastic cold shoe mount where the microphone holder can attach. So now we can just mount that to the top of that phone holder. And that's it. Now you have much better audio quality being recorded. You can also attach the dead cat, which came with the Rode video mic. If you're recording outdoors, this will eliminate any wind noise. Okay guys, gonna do a quick audio test. First it will be the internal mic of the phone, then it will be the Rode video mic, then it will be the Rode video mic with the dead cat installed. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the sound being recorded by the internal mic of the iPhone 10. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the sound being recorded by the Rode video mic. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the sound being recorded by the Rode video mic with the dead cat installed. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Okay guys, so using an external mic definitely improves the audio quality on an iPhone. Now on this iPhone 10, the internal mic is pretty good, so the improvement wasn't that much. I guess it would depend on what phone you're using, but it is an improvement. To what degree, that's a matter of opinion.